Computer Jiska, and as you all know about me, I am Fertilizer and I will teach you the syllabus of class 6 and 7. In the previous video, we learned about class 7 first chapter as Science NCERT Part-1, in which we learn about how does plants obtain their food by the process of photosynthesis. And today we are going to complete Part-2, in which we will learn about how does other plants which didn't use photosynthesis prepare their food by the other process. If you want to watch the previous video, you can go through the link given in description, and if you want to ask me any doubt related to this topic, you can comment me in the comment section. As I told you that carbon dioxide is important for plants as well as nitrogen is also important for plants, but that is not in that form which plants needed. So there is a bacteria, rhizobium, which helps plants in converting nitrogen in that form which plants needed. But why does plants needed nitrogen? Yes, because it have protein. It contains protein, and protein is important for plants to grow. But in some places the plants didn't have the bacteria rhizobium. So the farmers put fertilizer which contains protein. There are few more plants which didn't use the process of photosynthesis and even not take nitrogen. So what does they eat? If you observe one of these plants like amarbella, it spreads on any one tree and takes the nutrition from it. That tree becomes weak and known as host, and the amarbale is known as parasite at that time. There are few more plants which didn't use this process also. They eat insect like pitcher shaped plant. It used the process of photosynthesis and as well as eat insects. But why? Just because the nutrition which it gets after the photosynthesis process, it is not sufficient for it. And few other plants grow on the dead organisms, and it takes nutrition from that organisms. Like a expired bread, the fungus which is a part of that organisms take nutrition from that expired bread. Even mushrooms are also a type of fungi. That's why fungi and mushroom take nutrition from these dead organisms. I hope you learned something from this video. You don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. This is Prisha just signing off.